In this video, we are going to look at an overview of creating a digital space for Mona. Mona is seeding the open metaverse through the creation and use of beautiful 3D NFT environments. Basically, it's an online platform for viewing digital spaces that will continually evolve into what many are calling the metaverse. All of the links you will need for this process will be included in the links below. First, you'll need to make your space. This needs a whole overview in itself, but if you want to get started sooner, follow the link to the Get Started section in the Mona docs, or jump on the Discord and join the growing community of builders. Then, you'll need to connect a crypto wallet to Mona, such as MetaMask or Wallet Connect, which bridges from other wallets. You then package and submit your space to Mona on their website. To mint your space, or upload it onto the blockchain, you'll need to add some Ethereum, or Polygon Matic, to your connected wallet in order to pay for a number of fees. After submission, and once Mona has cleared your space, you can mint it on the Mona website submission page. This will incur a gas fee, or charges for the electricity that your transaction needs to run. Gas fees depend on the blockchain that you use to mint on, and as of November 2021, you have two choices: Ethereum, or ETH, on the Ethereum blockchain, or Matic on the Polygon blockchain. Gas fees on the Ethereum blockchain are very expensive and pretty bad for the environment due to the amount of electricity they use. They can range from $100 to $1,000, depending on the time of day or to the second. Ethereum has the benefit of being more accessible to collectors, however, so resellability is higher. The crypto that you will get paid in is also easier to convert to other currencies, including fiat or real money. Gas fees on the Polygon blockchain, on the other hand, are much cheaper, at less than $1. This blockchain uses a different approach to Ethereum that is more eco-friendly and faster. The catch is that you may need to get Matic by paying a gas fee to get funds from the Ethereum blockchain to the Polygon blockchain. This process is called bridging, which happens to cost around $100 to $500 depending on time of day. That said, if you send a reasonable amount over in one transaction, you are good to mint many spaces moving forward. As collectors would also need to bridge money to that network, it's an extra hoop for them to get through, so it's not as popular to use as Ethereum just yet. It is possible to get some Matic to cover a few of the costs with Matic Supply. They will offer some Matic at the expense of some advertising. Link below. Once minted, it will then be available to see on the OpenSea NFT marketplace. You have the option of listing your space for about $30 in Ethereum, or less than $1 in Matic, as a fixed price or timed auction. If this is your first time with OpenSea, there is also a one-time initialization gas fee, which is again $100 to $500 on average in Ethereum, or less than $1 in Matic, depending on the time of day and the blockchain you used. Even if you don't list your space, this will have to be paid to collect a direct sale. So you either have to pay this when you list it, or the first time you sell when you get a direct offer. When you sell your space, the payment options will depend on what you minted your space with. If it was on Ethereum, buyers can use WETH, DAI, or USDC. If you used Polygon, a bidder will need to pay in Ethereum on the Polygon network, which is different from Ethereum on the Ethereum blockchain. Once sold, expect a 10% decrease in the bid. So when it happens, don't freak out. These are additional fees, but some of this will come back to you. So if the accepted bid was 3 wrapped Ethereum, you would receive 2.7 wrapped Ethereum in your wallet. This 10% is made up of OpenSea fee at 2.5%, a Mona fee at 2.5%, and a creator royalty fee at 5%. This will be paid to you in Polygon Ethereum, not Ethereum, at the end of each month on any sales, including this original sale. There will also be another gas fee for the sale if your space is sold for less than 1 Ethereum in value. If it is above this amount, the OpenSea docs say that they will cover the fee. However, there have been reports that some do pay it even if you receive above that. Once you have your NFT sold and crypto as payment in your wallet, you need to get it wherever you want it. You will need to transfer your crypto back to a crypto exchange so that you can convert it to other crypto or real money and withdraw it at your bank. Ta-da! You have officially made money on a Mona space. Now, it does seem like a lot of messing about with fees and whatnot, and it most certainly can be a bit of a pain, especially with gas fees on Ethereum blockchain being so high and the difficulties in moving crypto from different places. If you don't believe you can sell your space for more than 3 Ethereum, or even if you can, it would be recommended to use the Polygon blockchain as the cost of entry is far less, especially if you start minting several spaces. Speaking of which, let's do a quick comparison summary. So, on the Ethereum main net, with Ethereum. First, get Ethereum onto your wallet. This may incur some small fees. Next, mint with Ethereum, the gas fee of $100 to $500 or so. The initialization fee in Ethereum, which is a one-time gas fee, $100 to $500 on average. The listing fee in Ethereum, which is optional, but about $30 worth. And there is a sale fee in Ethereum if your bid is under 1 Ether. This will also be a gas fee of $100 to $500. Now, moving forward, if you sell another space, you don't have to worry about some of these fees. So if you were going to make another space, it would be minting with Ethereum, gas fee, $100 to $500, listing fee of about $30, and the sale fee if your space is sold for less than 1 Ethereum. So that's the Ethereum mainnet. Next, let's look at the Polygon mainnet. So, first up, Matic supply or bridging to Matic, so that will be a gas fee of anywhere between $0 and $500, depending on how you source your Matic. Minting with Matic is less than $1. Initialization fee in Matic is less than $1. The listing fee is less than $1. And the sale fee is less than $1. Moving forward, if you make another space, you'll have minting with Matic, which is less than $1. Listing fee in Matic, less than $1, and sale fee, less than $1. So, as you could probably guess, Polygon mainnet is ridiculously cheap in comparison to the Ethereum mainnet. But getting it to and from the Polygon network is a bit of a trick. So, take that into consideration when moving it forward. Now, that's all said and done, and you can be fully prepared for your journey into Mona Spaces. Come join the Discord for more info on how to get started and be part of the Metaverse revolution.